Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make savable spawn points just like this inside of Roblox Studio. Let's get started. Alright guys, so this video is gonna be very short because the scripts and this first off are not mine, and so I'm gonna be leaving a model in the description where you can get the model, where you get all the scripts. The model is slightly customized the way I usually make them, but yeah, here it is. And what you guys want to do, you'll notice that inside of the model there will be no instructions. So to get those, you have to watch this video. So what you do is when you get this model, you want to go ahead and ungroup this. Once you ungroup in this thing, you're gonna find a bunch of stuff. You're gonna find data settings, modules, spawn points, data handler, and then save in studio, some bool values, and then and two scripts. So what you want to do is first take the data handler, spawning handler, and the spawn point scripts. These are three scripts, and you want to move them to server script service. You can go through these, but what this is basically is the data handler is just data store basically. So how to save. So everything you do in, let's say if I was to spawn here, if I set my spawn point as a red spawn point, if I was to die, it would save and it would respawn me right here. The spawning handler just handles everything, so just make sure that the spawn points are working in when the player joins. The player like should be able to like teleport there, where like, and to teleport the spawn location. And then spawn points handler, same thing, just part 2 basically. And so what you want to do now is close out server script service. You're gonna find the four more things. So you're gonna find data settings, modules, spawn points, and save in studio, the bool value. You want to take the bool value, the save in studio, right, the module folder, and the data settings folder, and you're gonna move this to server storage. What these are basically, these are just data settings. These are a bunch of values, and then inside the modules is a script. Once, like I was talking, this is not my script by the way, but these are very long scripts, which I feel would take at least an hour of a video. So I thought it would be better just to, so yeah, let's look at this. It's 600 lines. So it's gonna take forever to make a video on that. Anyways, then the bool value is just gonna make sure that it saves. And then last piece is your spawn points. Make sure that every time, now this is gonna stay in workspace by the way, but every time you make a spawn point, you wanna, so if I open up, let's say spawn point 1, which is the red one, you wanna make sure that you have the part itself is called spawn, exactly like this, all uppercase letters. And you want to group it and call it spawn point. Like if I was making another one, I'll call it spawn point 3, but inside the piece will be the same. You can change the color, whatever. And yeah, that's basically it. Now last step, which is the most important stuff, else it will not work, is you want to go ahead and publish your game. And once it's published, you want to go to game settings. You want to go up to security. From security, you want to enable studio access to API services. This is going to allow the game to allow like data stores, and that's it. Once you're done that, you can go and play the game. I'm gonna see how this works. So as you can see, as I was already playing the game before the recording, it saved my data and I'm in the blue spawn point. But let's say I'm playing an obby and I finish the level and I go over here and I want to save my spawn point manually. I'll do that, and let's say I go ahead more and I die, I would respawn on the red spawn point, just like that. Same thing, I can go backwards too. And if I do the blue one, if I was to die, I would spawn in on the blue spawn point. And so that's basically it for this video. So hopefully you guys did enjoy. If you guys have any video ideas, comment down in the section below. And yeah, that's basically it. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.